Chevelle Super Sport here, 1970 Professor, six-figure car.
Well, anytime you get a Chevelle from 1970 with a convertible, you know it's going to be big money. Add the 454 big block with a 4-speed and factory air conditioning.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a package.
The dog is on the block as well. I'd just like to point that out from Katie's preview yesterday. The dog was in the car. The dog is now on the block.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The little golden retriever, that's right. Yeah, but didn't we say the dog does go with the car because it was in the car? Well, now that it's on the block, they took the dog out. So
Exactly.
Bummer.
Beautiful dog, though.
Now 125. 125, how to get a bit of a 30, 130, 130, 130, how to get a bit of a 30.
Very authentic in its presentation in regard to the Super Sport items. Cowl Induction hood, badging, wheels.
125?
130, how to get a bit of a...
I'll tell you what.
130, 140.
I got you 130 now. I got you 10 grand more.
130.
He did.
That's Kirk Delzell there working with the consignor.
Sell it.
Absolutely. Research is up.
There we go. We see that once in a while where the consignor actually wants to relay. Let's sell it to the auctioneer.
130, 135, 135.
Corey, you want it? Sir?
I think the Golden was totally in agreement with him as well.
$130,000 for the 70 Chevelle convertible, minus the Golden Retriever. That's going to stay with the seller.
A 54 Chevy 3100 pickup. Got an LS3 6.2 liter V8.